Hey everybody, I am live here at Cutting Edge Cryo, and we're going to do a cryo toning session today. Super excited to get my jawline, and I'm going to let Maddie and everyone tell you kind of how it works and most of the frequently asked questions. So,
yes. Well, welcome in. We're happy to have y'all. So this is Kim. She's going to be performing her session today. While I kind of speak and tell you a little bit about the machine that we have and the treatments that we perform on it, and then we'll dive a little bit more specifically into the treatment we're doing today. So this is our cryoskin 2.0. So this is our spa service that we have here at Cutting Edge Cryo. There's two main functions with it. We offer cryo slimming and cryo toning. Our cryo slimming is what we're going to be using to destroy fat cells, so that's a little bit different of a service. So we can do that on the stomach, the love handles, the back of the legs, under the arms, really anywhere that you have that stubborn fat is where we can target. This is meant for somebody that is living a healthy lifestyle but just has that stubborn fat that we can't get rid of, whether it's hormones or age or having babies, all kinds of different factors. But how it works, there's two phases. We first apply heat, which is going to bring the cells up to the surface. It's also going to cause them to expand. So when we go back over that freezing temperature, it's going to cause those fat cells to crystallize. That expanding and then crystallizing of the cell causes apoptosis, which is going to actually cause them to permanently destroy. They're going to burst. And that's how we are getting that permanent treatment. Now that's going to flush out the lymphatic system over the next 15 days. Anywhere from ½ inch to 2 inches though is lost with each treatment. So it's a really, really cool service that we offer. The other one we have is our cryotoning, which is what we're doing today. We can do that all over the body as well. It's great for helping with cellulite behind the legs, stretch marks, scarring on the stomach. We also do our anti-aging facials with this as well. But what it's doing, it's opening up the tiny blood vessels and increasing microcirculation. So it's going to help increase collagen production. It's going to tighten and firm the skin. It's going to help get rid of fine lines, wrinkles, cellulite. So another really, really cool service that we offer. So right now we're doing toning on her neck. And what that's going to do is pull and tighten that neck up behind her ears. So it's like a non-invasive, facelift or Botox is what we get compared to. How's it feel?
good. It never hurts or anything. It's just cold, but not like miserable or anything.
In fact, we actually have people that fall asleep on the table a lot because it's so comfortable. 1 minute we're talking, the next minute they're snoring.
I know, I told her I've been finishing my neck, but I was like, oh, sorry, one day I want to try my love handles. I worked hard and I used to not have them, and I feel like age has kind of made it, no matter what I try, I've been fighting them,
Oh, absolutely. Hormone changes, so many
I'm
factors.
gonna try that. I've seen people that had really awesome results with it, so
Yeah, it's non-invasive, so it does, it does take a couple treatments to get maximum results. But that's the cool thing, because it's non-invasive. There's no downtime. You can go work out right after this. You can go swimming right after this.
Quick, can this be done on like a man's belly?
Absolutely. I have several male clients that come in and do this treatment. Absolutely.
And the facials too, for guys and girls.
And the facials, absolutely. Some restrictions with the facials. If you have Botox, we do have to wait a month after getting a facial for Botox, and for fillers, even lip fillers, we have to wait 3 months after fillers. Just because it can cause permanent, not permanent, but it'll cause your face to freeze for about 3 days, if we do it right afterwards. That wouldn't look cute for anybody.
Yeah, I've heard the facials help, she said, with makeup going on and all that too, because it smooths it out.
Yeah, the facials are going to help with the fine lines and wrinkles. It's also going to help with skin pigmentation. It's going to shrink the size of the pores, so it's great for acne. It's great for acne scarring. It's going to smooth the texture of your skin. It's literally bringing youth back to your skin in all aspects.
I'm just the crazy one obsessed trying to get rid of mine.
That feels good too, doesn't it?
But I've definitely noticed results even after the first time. I was like, because that's something you can't didn't work out.
Yeah.
And anytime I've ever lost enough weight to lose some of it, I look all bony everywhere else, and it's like not
Right.
healthy looking.
Yeah. That's what's so cool though is it's about that stubborn fat in those areas that we just can't get rid of, and people are seeing amazing results, and it's permanent. You know, as long as you're living a healthy lifestyle, those aren't going to come back. Of course, you're going home and eating fast food and McDonald's and, you know, pizza and ice cream and stuff. And of course, you know, you are going to gain fat cells back. But if you're living a healthy lifestyle, you're going to maintain your results. Some other restrictions on our slimming, if you're trying to get pregnant or breastfeeding, if you have any sort of like kidney disease or liver disease, just because the toxins are going to get flushed out through your kidneys and liver, you make sure that those are top shape. But it does take 15 days, so we would do the slimming every 15 days, every 2 weeks, and that's how we would achieve the maximum results.
I need to come on here one day and like do like 3 things. It's such a long time.
And we're going to have a code posted later as well for 50% off any first time session if you use her code. That'd be a great opportunity for some people to come in and try out the service for themselves.
Yeah. Interesting. I keep telling my friends they're slacking.
You can tell your friends that if they think it's too hard to drive, say, listen, Kim drives from North Richland Hills. It's worth it.
It's worth it for sure.
Beauty is pain and gas.
Thank you.
So with the slimming treatment, it's a 28-minute slimming total. We have 28-minute and a 40-minute slimming. We first apply heat on one side for 2 minutes, and then we'll do cold for 12 minutes. On the 40-minute slimming, it's 2 minutes heat, 18 minutes cold on one side. The difference between the two is just the amount of time, so we can get a bigger area. If we're doing a 28-minute slimming, then we focus on just the stomach or just the love handles, inner thighs or outer thighs.
How much on the belly can and does it? How much? One visit. It says somebody asked one visit. How much would?
Anywhere from 1/2 inch to 2 inches is lost with each treatment. So you'll see immediate results today. Well, when you come in, the day of your treatment, you'll see immediate results. We take before and after photos. We take measurements before and after, so you'll see your immediate results. About day 3 is when you're going to notice a change in your urine. Your body's just going to flush them out, so just like a little bit of smell in your pee. And then about day 7 is when you're going to notice the best results, and then 15 days is the full results, and then that's when you come back in for your next treatment. So anywhere from 1/2 inch to 2 inches is lost.
And it's all natural and non-invasive. So
Uninvasive, all natural.
they're not like putting anything in me. It's just cold.
Yeah, and it's not painful either. There are a lot of treatments out there that are non-invasive, but that are very painful. The difference between this and a lot of other treatments as well is that we are actually destroying the fat cells, causing apoptosis, whereas other treatments are just shrinking the cell. If they're just applying with cold temperature, think about a bowl of water and you put it in the freezer, it's going to shrink when it freezes. When you put it back out in room temperature, it's just going to go back to the same size it was before. We're applying heat first, which is going to weaken this cell. So when we go back over that freezing temperature, it's literally going to cause them to burst. And you'll feel little pops in your stomach from the fat cells.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's so weird. It doesn't hurt. It's
Mainly
like
just because I want to feel it.
yeah, it's like pop rocks kind of. You know,
Yeah.
where like you
Bubbles.
can feel. Yeah, exactly. It's exactly what it feels like, and it's pretty cool. How people feel them.
It'll remind me of being pregnant.
Little fix. So the difference between the 28-minute and the 40-minute, the 28-minute we could do just the stomach or just love handles. The 40-minute I can get the entire waistline in one session.
Okay. Does it affect tattoos?
It does not.
Okay.
In fact, actually, it would help with the appearance of tattoos, especially if you recently got one. It would help with the scarring.
Yeah.
That's a tattoo.
I've been saying that for 5
Well, I've said it
years.
for, yeah. I have to do a lot of different colors. I know, that's is 11th. So we're going to Mexico 11th through the 16th. I'm always ready to go back to the beach.
Yes. Have you been before?
Oh yes. Oh yes. We went to Jamaica for Thanksgiving and it was amazing.
It was beautiful.
Yeah.
What is the procedure called exactly?
The machine is cryoskin 2.0, and then the treatment is cryoslimming and cryotoning. This one specifically is cryotoning.
Like firms it all up.
It's going to tighten and firm the skin.
Stimulating the collagen is the biggest thing.
Collagen.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
That's what helps to tighten lift and firm. And as we age, that dissipates. So we need all the help that we can get.
So what we recommend for the facials as well is once a week for 5 weeks. Sorry. One facial week for 5 weeks. And what that's going to do is increase collagen build. From there, you're just going to start getting it. So once a month. But as your body gets in the process of building collagen, you don't come in as often. It's just more of getting a little booster, to remind you to keep producing the collagen.
And it's cheaper than a lot of those old other treatments, like the cold sculpting and stuff like that is a
Oh,
lot
yeah.
more expensive.
Oh, more
And it doesn't have the
expensive.
full.
Someone asked, how do the body handle the fat cells that they are dissolved or destroyed?
Say that one more time.
Are the fat cells dissolved or destroyed?
So the cell is actually going to burst. It's going to be destroyed. All the toxins that are stored within that fat cell are going to be flushed out through the lymphatic system. So you're just going to pee them out, and that takes about 15 days for that whole process to be flushed out. So, and what I tell people when they come in is after the treatment is done, that specific day, you're going to feel a little soft in the area that we did because of the toxins are currently kind of floating in that area. As your body flushes them out, that area is going to firm and tighten, and then you're going to start to really see results. That's why 7 days out is when you'll typically see the best results, because as your body flushes out those toxins, that's when you're going to have the best measurements. There's no side effects, there's no downtime, there's no risk factors.
Great.
You're in and out. People that come through like during their lunch break and they go right back to work and no big deal.
It does work in a man's stomach. She answered that earlier, and
Yes.
Courtney will post a link shortly for the costs that'll get you the discount. Does it dehydrate the body?
It is not, no. Of course, we do ask that you drink 2.5 liters of water a day just to help with the flushing process, just to make sure you're getting enough water to pee, but it does not dehydrate the body. That's a good question, though.
Good. It's tight. Good.
And then, of course, the amount of sessions would be recommended when we have a consult to see the area we're focusing on. That's really when we would know how many sessions we would need to do in order to achieve maximum results as well.
And I guess how your body reacts to it too.
Exactly.
Like everyone's kind of different.
And how well healthy your lifestyle is as well. If you're going to be able to maintain those results as well. But just to give you an example, one of our best results that we've had so far, we did a 40-minute
Hold
slimming.
on one second.
I'm sorry?
Hold on one second. I'm gonna record that one too. Just too.
One of the best results. Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
One of the best results we've had so far, she did a 5-pack of 40-minute slimming. So every 2 weeks, that would be 10 weeks total. And she lost total 23 pounds and 5 inches in her waist. So, yes, extremely happy after leaving and seeing her results.
That's really cool.
Yes.
That's like not plastic surgery, not anything, so it's great.
We can show you those photos too.
Only you
If
can
they
make
wanna see
boobs
them.
grow, and then you could take over the whole market.
We're working on it. We're working on it. That is actually a good question that people ask. The only areas we can't treat would be the breast and the butt. Just because for the butt, the muscle is just too large to get around it with slimming. We can do toning though, however, in the butt. We offer what we call a Brazilian butt lift. It's going to tighten and firm and shape the butt. So we do offer that, but we can't do anything on the breast, unfortunately, just because there's too many glands there. That would affect it.
I don't know if I want you to freeze on these either. I wonder if silicone does it freeze.
I think so.
Right? Yeah, I should have
Let's
used
not
it
find out.
Yeah.
I mean, if filler freezes,
I
I'm
know,
sure.
right? That's what I think. After this slowing down.
And we have a lot of really great result photos, a lot more information as well on our website. So, you're always welcome to reach out to us personally if you have any questions. After this, if anybody thinks of any questions, please reach out to us on our Instagram. We'd love to answer any questions that you'll have and get you booked for a session so you can come in and see it for yourself.
And they have a lot of other stuff here.
Is there any insurance? Have you had anybody have insurance help out in these kind of procedures?
We are working on that. We do accept in our store HSA, so a health savings account. So that's something that we're working on. We also have our stocks that's going to be in next door, so that will help as well. So we're working on it.
And they have a lot of other stuff, not just skin, like
We have a whole
therapy.
wellness facility. We offer a whole body chamber, cryo chamber. We have localized cryo, so for acute injuries, wake up and your neck hurts, for your elbows, shoulders, whatever it might be. We do Normatec, Normatec compression therapy, which is really great probably with circulation, inflammation, sore muscles recovery. Women that get varicose veins, it's great for that. We have the whole leg sleeve that you put on. It's compression therapy to help with varicose veins. We offer an infrared sauna as well. We have CBD products. We have CBD doggy treats for their hips and joints because you can't leave out the fur babies. I mean, dogs are sometimes better than humans, so gotta give them some love. And then we have an oxygen bar as well, which is really great for sinuses and headaches, things like that. How you doing? Feels good?
It's pretty relaxing. You get a little numb afterwards, and
Just enjoy it.
yeah. It's
Feels so relieving.
like a neck massage a little bit.
So for the toning treatment, which is what we're doing today, it's 20 minutes total, 10 minutes on each side. On the face, we do 10 minutes and 10 minutes total. So about 35, 45-minute appointment total.
Yeah, I'm always in and out.
And you can see she does have a little redness. That's just from the temperature. That will go away probably within 10 minutes after her session's over.
Yeah, it goes away fast. And then after it sounds cool.
The one rag on
As far as preparation goes for the treatments, for the facials, we just ask that you don't wear makeup. For the slimming, we do ask that you fast for 2 hours before and 2 hours after your appointment, so no carbs, no sugar, even natural sugars like fruit. This is going to help get best results for the treatment because it's going to put the cells in a weakening state versus giving them energy from the carbs and sugar.
I was wondering why. I knew that they said that. It was some of the ones. In a bigger sense.
Right.
Just gonna eat them from before, see when it's first time out.
Yeah. We've had such great results. We were one of the first ones in DFW to get the machine. We've had it now since May, so almost a whole year, which is really exciting to see how much progress we've made and how much great results we've gotten from different clients.
Yeah, because it's very new. I know when I first posted on, you were like, don't change your body. I was like, it's not, I'm not like,
It's not like
doing
that.
anything crazy. Yeah.
Well, and I've had people that come in here that have done cool sculpting before, or laser lipo, and giving me their personal stories versus this. So it's really cool to see the difference between the two. And if you have any questions, we'll talk about during your session. Because, we don't want to talk down on me either.
Yeah. It will be nice.
It'll be nice.
Have a good over there, babe?
Yeah.
We used to just meet.
You want to just end it and save it?
Yeah. Thanks everyone for coming by. Hi, thank you.